Wow, this is really it. The buildings look taller than in the pictures. I can't believe I actually moved here.
First time in the city, huh? You got that wide-eyed look. Where you coming from?
Yeah, small town about 6 hours away. I'm a product designer. Just needed a fresh start, you know? New job, new apartment, whole new life.
Fresh start. I like that. Traffic's always crazy, but the energy here, nothing beats it. You got family here, or you flying solo?
Flying solo. Honestly, it feels a little scary, but exciting too. Like I'm finally doing something for me.
You'll be fine, kid. City's full of people who showed up with one suitcase and ended up loving it. Here's your building up ahead. Welcome to your new home.
Thank you. That actually made me feel better.
Emily, right? Welcome. I'm Sarah. Your place is on the 3rd floor. Cute little one-bedroom, just like you wanted.
Hi, Sarah. It feels so real now. I've never lived alone before. Is the neighborhood okay? Like, safe for walking at night?
Totally safe. Lots of young people around here. Designers, writers, coffee addicts, you'll fit right in. Laundry rooms in the basement, and there's a cute rooftop terrace if you ever want to watch the sunset.
That sounds perfect. I've been dreaming about this for months. New city, new chapter.
You got this. If you need anything extra, light bulbs, recommendations for pizza, whatever, just knock on my door. I'm in 1B.
Thank you so much. I think I'm gonna like it here. Okay, clothes in the closet, sketchbooks on the desk. This is mine now. No more tiny hometown bedroom. It's quieter than I thought. Kind of lonely, actually. But that's why I came, right? To figure things out on my own? Mom would freak if she knew I was already talking to myself. I'm okay. I'm really okay. Moving away feels strange. My old room was cramped, but it was familiar. Now everything is new, and I don't even know where to start. There's this sense of freedom, but it's mixed with being a little scared. What if I don't make friends or get used to the city? Still, I wanted a fresh start. I wanted to see what I could do if I was really on my own. Just me and my thoughts. Loneliness is weird. Some days it feels heavy. Other days it just feels quiet. I guess this is how you grow up. You learn to sit with your feelings and not fill the silence with noise, even if it's uncomfortable. Maybe talking to myself isn't so strange after all. Maybe it's my way of making sense of everything. I'm okay. I'm really okay. This is what I wanted, and I can do this. If Mom worries, that just means she loves me. But I need to trust myself now. Tomorrow, I'll explore the neighborhood. I'll make this place feel like home, one day at a time. These streets are so pretty. All the little cafes and murals. I could actually see myself drawing here every day. There's a park 2 blocks over. Maybe I'll grab coffee tomorrow and sketch some ideas for my new job. This could be good. This could really be good. Wait, this doesn't look right. I swear I turned left at the bakery. How did I end up here? No signal. Great. Of course this happens on my first full day. Deep breaths, Emily. You're not actually lost. You're just temporarily directionally challenged. I have no idea where the park went. This city is bigger than it looked on the map. Excuse me? I'm so sorry to bother you. I'm kind of lost. I was trying to find the little park with the fountain.
Oh yeah, easy mistake. You're only 3 blocks off. Just go straight, take a right at the bookstore, and you'll see it. New around here?
That obvious, huh? I just moved in yesterday. Still figuring everything out.
Happens to everyone the first week. I moved here 2 years ago and still get turned around sometimes. You'll get the hang of it fast.
Thank you so much. I was starting to feel like an idiot.
Nah, you're good. Welcome to the neighborhood. If you ever need directions again, I'm usually around with this guy.
I really appreciate it. Have a good walk. Finally, Coffee. I earned this.
Hi, first time here? You look like you just survived an adventure.
You have no idea. I got completely lost trying to find the park. Some guy and his dog saved me.
Classic city welcome. I'm Lily. I work here most mornings. What can I get you?
Hi, Lily. I'm Emily. Just a vanilla latte, please. I'm a product designer, new in town, trying to make this whole fresh start thing actually work.
Product designer? That's awesome. I do freelance illustration on the side. We should totally swap sketchbooks sometime. New people in this city either love it or run away screaming after a month. Which one are you?
I'm really hoping I'm the love it type. Everything feels new and a little scary, but good scary.
Then you're in the right place. Hey, a bunch of us meet here every Thursday evening for open sketch night. No pressure, just coffee and doodling. You should come.
Really? That sounds perfect. I'd love that.
Great. I'll save you a seat. Welcome to the city, Emily.
Mom, you won't believe it. I got lost, but this really nice guy helped me. And then I met Lily at this cute cafe. She invited me to sketch night. Yeah, I know I was nervous. But today felt like the first day of something really good. The apartment is starting to feel like mine. The streets don't seem so big anymore. I think I made the right choice. This fresh start? It's already starting to feel like home. Yeah, I'm gonna be okay here. I really am.